Hello dear friends, this is Unit 72. In this unit we are going to learn some important things about the use of articles. As we know that there are three words which are considered as articles in the English grammar, that are a, an, or the. A and an are known as indefinite articles while the is known as definite articles. Before I say anything, before I teach you anything, give a pause to the video and read these sentences given in this example. See, Joe and Karen are talking. Joe says, I had a sandwich and an apple for lunch. The sandwich wasn't very good, but the apple was nice. See, in the very first sentence, Joe says a sandwich, an apple, because this is the first time he talks about them. But in the second sentence, he says the sandwich, the apple, because Karen knows which sandwich and which apple he means. The sandwich and the apple that he had for lunch. Did you understand? So, from this example situation, it is quite clear that when we talk about something for the first time, we use a or an. But now, when during the conversation, it is now clear which thing are we talking about, we should use the before them as an article. Okay? Now, let us have some more examples. A man and a woman were sitting opposite me. The man was American, but I think the woman was British. See what happened when I'm just telling a story. First time we if we talk about any noun, then we use a or an, and when this is referred to already, then we use the. Let us have another example. When we were on holiday, we stayed at a hotel. Sometimes we ate at the hotel and sometimes we went to a restaurant. See, in this context also, when hotel was talked about first time, then we used a, but later we started using the with hotel. Why? Because we know clearly which hotel we are referring to. So from these examples, it is very clear we use the when we are thinking of a specific thing. Okay, and we use a or an when we are talking about anything for the first time. Okay, like Tim sat down on a chair. Okay, so perhaps one of many chairs in the room. And when I say Tim sat down on the chair nearest the door, it means we are talking about some specific chair. Okay, Paula is looking for a job, not any specific job. Any job will do. Okay, but when I say did Paula get the job she applied for, means we are talking about a specific job that she applied for. Do you have a car? Do you have a car means what? Means any car, not any specific car. And when I say I cleaned the car yesterday, means a specific car. That is my car, okay? So we use the when it is clear in the situation which thing or person we mean. Okay? For example, in a room we talk about the light, the floor, the ceiling, the door, the carpet, etc. etc. Why? Because we know which light, which floor, which ceiling, which door, or which carpet we are talking about. Okay, so in the room, if we are sitting, we can say, "Can you turn off the light, please?" Means particular light that is in that room. I took a taxi to the station, a specific station in that town. I would like to speak to the manager. Why so? Because the manager of that company or shop. Okay. In the same way, we say go to the bank, go to the post office. Why? Because when we say go to the bank means we mean to talk about some specific bank that we have account with, or we go to the post office that is generally nearest to the area. Okay. We also say go to the doctor, go to the dentist. Why do we say? Because when we say go to the doctor, go to the dentist, it is quite clear that we are talking about a particular doctor, or it is clear which doctor we are talking about. Okay, so I have to go to the bank today means which bank? The bank that I have the account with, a specific bank. But if I say, is there a bank near here? Means any bank. I'm not talking about any specific bank. Okay. I don't like going to the dentist. Means the dentist that I generally go to. Okay. And my sister is a dentist. Got it? Okay. Once a week, 3 times a day, 1.5 pounds a kilo. Here, A is being used in the sense of per or every. Okay. How often do you go to the cinema? About once a week means every month. Once a month means every month. One time every month. How much are those potatoes? 1.5 pounds a kilo means per kilo. Helen works 8 hours a day, 6 days a week means 8 hours every day or 6 days every week. So A or N can be used in the sense of per or every also. This was about indefinite and definite articles. Please solve the exercise. Feel free to make me a call in case of any doubt, any confusion. Thank you very much.